Hi, welcome back. In this video, we will learn about where clause, how to use where clause. So let us run a table first. So we use earlier table that we had created these countries. So we fetch the data from this table, and this table has almost 25 rows. Now let us first understand what where clause give us and how to use it. So basically, where clause gives us an option to filter our data. Right now, I have 25 approximate rows here, different countries' name. I don't want to see all of them. So how can I use a filter here? So let us see. This region ID has different values 1, 2, 3, 4. I just wanted to see that what country names are available in region ID. So here I have the region ID. I will write where, then region ID, then equal to, let us suppose in 1 region ID 1 what countries are available. After writing this, we will run this query. Now we see we have just 8 country names here instead of 25. So this is what where clause do. It filters all values basis the condition that you are mentioning. I can mention, let us suppose 2. Now the values has been changed to 5. So whatever in the region ID we will give, it will give, it will filter the data basis that. Even if I wanted to say, let us suppose, what country name starts with A. So I will use a condition like this, and it will give me Argentina and Australia that starts with A. So that it is how where clause works. Where clause will filter the data basis the condition that we will give them. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet again in the next video.